Hello people of the internet, DedZed here, and today I am going to be covering another fun feature on avatars. Last video I covered RGB color, or RGB, but I've heard people wanted to kind of pick their own color. Kind of sit down and mess around with how they look and all that on their model. I'm going to duplicate this animation clip. I'm going to name it Hue. I'm going to go into this animation clip. I'm going to grab all these, and I'm just going to shrink them down to there. They are all lined up there. So, it's not going to show until I add it to here. I go here, animation clip and Hue. 8 seconds. It's either one of these few colors I have presets, so I'm gonna add two more. Or a few more. Surface. I'm gonna add white, black, do a middle ground of gray, and that's the whole animation. What I'm gonna be doing for this whole thing. With this, like I did before, I'm just gonna remove it from my animator, or go to the Y-bot, go back to scene. I'm going to add another VRCFury component, toggle. I'm going to focus it on it being a color, hue, surface, or it's going to be surface hue, actually, proper English. With this, we are going to work on a fun thing called a slider radial. With this, people can select their own color, as well as here, I want to have a animation clip. So we're going to be focusing on a slider, and we're using an animation clip for this to work. I'm just going to drag the hue one I've just built, go into playtest, and we start off being red, which is fine. Here, I'm going to add a gesture manager component. We're red right now. Go to color, and we see hue, what doesn't work, as well as we can be whatever rainbow color we wish, plus the white and grey. These are things called radial menus. These can work with a lot of stuff, but majority of the time it's color based. So with that, let's say I just want to be my blue. RGB kind of broke, and blue and orbs. Orbs disappeared. We're just floating, and we could be whatever color we wish. That under terms just covers part of a radial system, which is under terms where I'm going to leave this video for a radial hue system. So hopefully that's helped you guys have new ideas for how you want something done. I'll catch you all again very soon.